Hey, welcome back. If you have already been following my hair journey and watching my videos and different hairstyles that I be doing, you notice something drastic. Like, I got inches now, right? So in this video, I am going to show you how I did my extensions, and I'm going to show you the first few steps of me cleansing the extensions and so it would be, loosen the stiffness. I let the hair soak in apple cider vinegar water and lemon for like 30 minutes. Then I let the hair sit in conditioner for another 30 minutes so that I would be able to loosen the ends like you see here, because I like my ends to be curly. I left one of them here for me to show. And this is just my bang. I'm gonna have, my bangs still. But yeah, so if you have your hair locked all to the end, you just use a rat tooth comb at the end and like loosen it up. Like, say it's picking through and then loosen it up like that, so you can have some loose hair, because the extension comes with the loose part of the hair. Some of them is not as much, you might have to comb a little bit out, but yeah. So after that part is done, so we're gonna mesh both of the locked areas of both hair together. And when it meet, I just take the bottom of my rear hair and put it, like wrap it around the bottom part, like this. And I'm gonna do the same for the top when I get to it. And go through like this. And while I'm doing that, every time I go through it, I kind of like rotate a little bit so that it can maintain its roundness. It won't be flat, because if you keep doing it just one way, it's gonna be flat. So you kind of gotta rotate your hair around. Pick through. Your actual lock might be kind of harder to pick through, but you just gotta poke it in and pull it out. But be careful, because you can poke your finger. So just take your time and know, where you poking at. Hopefully it's between your fingers and not with your finger being hit. And then I kind of go like this to give it some shape. You guys see my makeup? I mean, it's not like nothing drastic, whatever. But I do own a beauty cosmetics line called Crowned Glow. And I'm wearing like a red eyeshadow and like pink underneath my eyes. I'm gonna show y'all. The red from this palette. This is deep in. And then, my highlight on my nose and my cheek come from this palette. And then the pink under my eye is this sparkly pink right here. My palette was kind of dingy because those are my personal palettes, of course, that I've had, since I've been making them. But I just want to show y'all some of my stuff. I got lip glosses, cheek tints, lip tints, some of my blush. But I didn't have any of this lip gloss left in this one, so I'm showing you kind of like an empty tube a little bit, because I used the heck out of this one. But I definitely put that gloss on a lot. So yeah, I have, 4 eyeshadow palettes, 3 colors of blush and cheek tints, and I have 4 glosses. and makeup box sets. So y'all gotta check out my website. I'm gonna link it. Okay, so that is that. That was so easy to do. Now I ended up getting like the pack of hair that y'all seen. It was 30 in there. I just got 30 because I only had like 40 some locks, and then I had bangs. See how this bangs came out. Cause I don't really know how to look with not all my hair not done. Shit, it might look crazy. It might look like I might need to order some more just to, I don't know. I like my bangs, so. Okay, so that's really how my hair look with my bangs. I suppose if I want to put all bangs on one side like that, I can, you know, whatever. But that's how I look with my bangs. And I like it. What do y'all think? That was a little bit to the side, you know. Like this. I want to keep my little part and just have my bang. All right, if you are new and you like this video, please subscribe. Let me know what stuff y'all want to do, because I guess now that my hair is longer, I mean, I'm probably still gonna do other styles incorporating like crochet hairs, or I don't know if I can get a wig on now that it's longer, but I mean, I'm willing to try something out. But I definitely can do different lock styles. So let me know if y'all want me to do different lock styles. Comment below. All right, bye.